Welcome to Truck Blog TV. I'm Chris Duke, and today we're going to install a Magnaflow 3-inch catback exhaust system on our project vehicle, a 2005 F-150 pickup truck. Let's get started. Now, under normal circumstances, when you'd have this thing lifted up, you could just take the exhaust off. But since we're doing a garage installation, we're going to have to cut it off to get it out. And for that, we're going to use the Milwaukee Sawzall. And there you go. It's peeing all over me too. Here it comes. It's this last piece. There it comes. Yeah! All right, I'm going to remove the stock OEM clamp with a 5/8 inch deep socket. If you'd like to sponsor Truck Blog with some air tools, please contact us. There it goes. One more push, that thing's going to drop. All right, 2 more pushes. There it goes. 3, 2, 1. Bam. Game over, muffler. All right, so we got the muffler off, but here's the source of some frustration. But it's kind of hard to see this because Ford kind of hides it on the back side of the muffler. But this little guy, it's right here. So if you're trying to push this through the hanger, it's going to get stopped up on that. So the way you remove it is you get in there and you open that up with your fingers, and this thing slides off. And here, I'll put it right here so you can see it. And that slides off, and then this thing comes out finally. Remember that. All right, now we've got the stock exhaust kit uninstalled from our F-150, and now we're turning to Magnaflow to see what we got to put back on. There's 4 pieces to this exhaust kit. This is a pipe that goes into the catalytic converter extension. Comes in 2 sizes. There's a 24-inch right here, and there's an 18. 24 is for older 2004 model F-150. So we're not using that one. We're going to go with this guy. Next piece is the muffler, of course. And we've got a tailpipe extension, and then the tailpipe itself, with a nice exhaust tip welded right in there. Here's the 18-inch intermediate pipe. It's going to connect up to the stock catalytic converter extension. This piece is going to go into the stock hanger. Just like that. Grab our muffler here. Bring him up. Set him on there like that. Put it on there real tight. And we're going to leave everything kind of loose until we are all done. And then we'll tighten everything up. All right, now that we've got the muffler on, I'm going to put the tailpipe extension on. Going to fish your tailpipe extension up over the rear axle. Put this bracket on, and then fit that over the muffler, and then this goes into the OEM rubber hanger. All right, we had a little bit of a delay here with this particular hanger. Would not go through, so we had to detach it from the truck and take it over to a vise and get it on that way. It would not go through. So we got 1 more to go. Hopefully we won't have the same problem later. All right. All right, now for the final piece of our assembly, the tailpipe. So this one goes on next. All right, at this point, we've got the stock exhaust kit completely removed and the Magnaflow exhaust is hung and ready to be tightened. Now, Magnaflow recommends about a ½ inch of clearance around the entire tailpipe. And down here, we're gonna give it a good inch or so from this body panel. Now we're gonna go tighten it up and test it out. I've got a 9/16 inch socket. It's a deep socket, and we're gonna start tightening things up, starting from the rear. You know, I haven't mentioned it before. I'd love to have some air tools here at the Truck Blog shop. Potential sponsors can go to www.truckblog.com, click the Contact Us page, type some stuff in, get a hold of us. That'd be rad. All right, I've got everything tightened up. We're gonna go fire it up, get it off these ramps, take it for a test drive, see how she sounds. Well, that sounded awesome. It's about 500 bucks street. It's pretty easy to install. You can check out the full install article at truckblog.com or head on over to magnaflow.com to see if they've got a kit that fits your ride.